Today I'm going to remove the faceplate on this Chevrolet radio. The procedure should be the same for all GM radios from, I believe, 2003 through 2008. Basically, if it looks like this, or close to this, the procedure should work. The only tool that you will need for the job is a small flat blade screwdriver. We'll start by taking off the top and bottom covers. To do this, there are little slots here, and if you put the screwdriver in, you can turn it, kind of lift up on the plate, kind of pry it up. Just be gentle with it so you don't bend it, but even if you do bend it, it's not catastrophic because it's just soft metal. You can bend it back. So there's the top cover. After the top cover is off, you need to remove this little plug right here. If you have small hands, it's easier. You can just pull it out. Next, flip the radio over and remove the bottom cover. Same procedure. And once the bottom cover is off, you need to remove these two plugs. And I'm untwisting these because they need to individually go through these separate holes in the radio chassis. Next, I need to release the faceplate from the radio with these plastic clips that are around the perimeter of the radio. To release the faceplate, slide the screwdriver under one of the clips, and while you're doing that, pull forward on the faceplate so that the little plastic clip is forward of the metal retaining tab. After you do one, take the screwdriver out but keep pressure on the faceplate and go to the next clip. And with every clip that you release, the faceplate will come off more. So there's 3 of them. But just keep pressure on it. And just pull the faceplate off. Be gentle with the wires, make sure they don't get hung up. And that's how to remove the to reinstall the faceplate. Feed the wires through their appropriate holes in the radio chassis. After the wires are in place, just press on the faceplate to snap it into position and plug the wires in. After the wires are plugged back in, you can reinstall the top and bottom covers. You first insert these tabs on the front of the cover into these slots. And just push down. And the same goes for the top cover. And that's how to remove and reinstall a GM faceplate. Thanks for watching.